Do you know many people are having trouble with replacing their ink cartridges? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open printer. Ensure your printer is powered on and open the front cover to access the ink cartridges. Step 2. Remove cartridge. Push down the old cartridge to release it and then remove it from its slot. Step 3. Unpack cartridge. Unpack the new cartridge and remove any protective tape from it. Step 4. Insert cartridge. Insert the new cartridge into the correct slot and press until it clicks into place. Step 5. Close cover. Close the front cover and let the printer recognize the new cartridge. Now you should be able to easily replace the ink cartridges in your printer. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Canon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.